Want to stop your iPhone camera from making the shutter sound when you take a photo? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off the camera sound on iPhone. Now let's get started. To turn off the camera shutter sound on iPhone, you'll need to silence your phone's ringer. On devices with the ringer switch, set your ringer switch to silent mode. This will silence your iPhone's camera shutter as well as your ringtones. If you have a newer iPhone model that does not have the ringer switch, the Action button by default has the same purpose. Click the Action button to silence your ringer, and this will mute your camera shutter sound. That's all it takes to turn off the camera sound on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.